Baru asyikat tangil ju iya ka kum ka kurim jong umitrang ba ka jalla. Ray mata kasni ka chitrik nailor arjar arhoi ka jeng rakhe ya kan khu snam ka banja pusaw kasni kha pon ke sangma. Ka Dr. Metap sangma kalarung sundan hakaran san politics ka bakala ajengkran hakani ka jeng rakhe. Bat kar kum ka pakaran balapan iru baka Dr. Metap sangma ka bat kum ka general secretary jong ka NUT women's wing.
Respect and tribute to him for all he has done for the entire city and for the entire region and for our state. He was a visionary and a man of principles, and one of the tallest leaders from the Northeast amongst the tribal state and region. With many achievements at hand and contributions in many fields for the upliftment of our society, yet he was still a symbol of humility and charisma. We really miss our dear leader. During his later parts of this political career, the National People's Party was born, along with a few loyal aides by his side. And I would like to mention the names whom I remember, because I was not active in the party then, but I could still see them coming to our place and discussing about the formation of the party. So our dear leader, W.R. Kaluki was there, Uncle Babet was there, Kong Toy was there, and of course Bajit and other leaders. So they were all there along with him, and now we have come this far. So I would like to thank each and every one of you for being part of this family. And we still have a very long way to go and many needs to be done, but still we have very much challenges ahead of us. No journey is easy, but when we stick together as a family, we will have nothing to fear. And the party is at its nascent stage and needs to be nurtured and given a very strong base. Yet in spite of it all, we have come this far and established ourselves as a national party, which very few parties are able to do from the Northeast. And this would not have been possible without all of you being part of the party. Hence a big thank you to all of you for sticking by the party and holding it together, no matter what the contributions are. And we will go a long way. Thanks to our senior leaders of the party, like Comrade K. Sangma, who is also the national president, then Mr. James Sangma, Thomas Sangma, and Agatha Sangma, for their selfless dedication and sincerity in bringing the party this far and bringing it where we are right now.